In class 8, today we will start second chapter of science, that is microorganisms, friend and foe. In this chapter, we will read about what are microorganisms, different types of microorganisms, and useful and harmful microorganisms. Next is methods of food preservation, nitrogen fixation, nitrogen cycle. These are the topics that we are going to cover in this chapter. Let's start our chapter with the first term, that is microorganisms. There are many kinds of organisms that exist on earth, like human beings, plants, animals, birds, etc. And there are some organisms which we cannot see with the naked eyes. There are some organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Those organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eyes, and can be seen only with the help of microscope, they are called microorganisms. They are very small in size. You might have observed that gray patches that develops on a piece of bread. Actually, they are fungus. Fungus is a kind of microorganism. Fungus is a type of microorganisms. Since these microorganisms are very small, they cannot be seen without microscope. That's why the name microorganisms or microbes are given to them. That's why they are known as microbes or microorganisms. Topic is, where do the microorganisms live? Microorganisms can be found in almost all kinds of climate, like ice cold climate, hot deserts, hot springs, and even the marshy lands also. Microorganisms are also found inside the body of animals. They are also found inside the body of animals. Including the human beings. Some of the microorganisms live on the other microorganisms. They grow on other organisms. Some of the microorganisms grow on other organisms. Whereas some of them exist freely. Some of the microorganisms live alone. Whereas Some of them exist in colonies, whereas some of them exist in colonies. Microorganisms can also be found in air, water, soil, etc. They can be found anywhere.